The greener lawn, in disrepair, not looking its best. It's definitely seen better days. It's neglect from a season where I haven't been able to put much love into it. What's next for the greener lawn?
Let's go green.
Have a rough season this season. Things didn't go quite your way. Had some oopses, had some ups, maybe some downs. Nothing really turned out the way that you were looking for it to look this year. Well, should we throw our hands up in the air at this point? Is it something that we should just quit and say good game for the season and just call it a wrap? Or is right now the time that we need to focus and make it right so that next year we can be looking a lot better going into the fall and then into the spring of next year? Well, with cool season grasses, that's exactly what we're looking at. As these temperatures are dropping out of the hundreds down into the low 90s, into the 80s, where grass that's a cool season grass actually starts to wake up, this is the time to go ahead and make sure we're doing that renovation for it. We need to be looking how we can fix this grass at that point in time. So have I lost my lawn for this season? During the summer, sure, it struggled. I had these spots. I had burnouts. I had different things that have happened in my lawn. But right now is when I can get it to all come back, make it all look good, and bring it back together for a season-saving save. This lawn should be starting to perform here in the next little while because it's a cool season lawn and they love this next period of time. So if you have the struggles that are going on right now, stick with me. We're gonna get this lawn looking great. Let's get your lawn looking great. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Let's get her back to this green away from this.